Guys, ito guys, oh, peacock guys. Yan, dami nila guys. Ayun, nangangain yung mga peacock guys. Yan, oh, dami nila. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Ayun. Daming peacock guys. May puti na peacock guys, oh. Ayan, oh. Yung laki daw dito guys, yung lalaki ito, yung may asol, ay ang tawag doon, basta may ibang may kulay dyan sa leeg. Yung babae naman gaya nito ng white, tsaka yan, wala masyadong kulay yung leeg niya. Pag nakakulay yung leeg, may ano, blue, yung dark blue, ano ba ito, yun yung laki, yung lalaki niya. Yan, oh. Dito sila pumunta sa may maliit na kabayo, yung donkey guys. Dito sila nangingain. Yan. And guys, thank you for watching guys. Don't forget to share and like my video guys. Thank you.